Forget everything you thought you knew about pickup trucks. These machines have evolved into mobile workshops, camping havens, and high-tech platforms packed with jaw-dropping upgrades. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time builder, these innovations are designed to surprise and inspire. Let's dive into the most impressive upgrades turning trucks into something truly extraordinary. Centurion Canopy. Say goodbye to flimsy fiberglass covers. The Centurion Canopy is made from tough aluminum, giving it incredible strength and durability. It can handle up to 600 kilograms of static load and 200 kilograms dynamic, making it one of the most rugged canopies on the market. Whether you're hauling gear or using it as a base camp, this thing's ready for action. It's not just about toughness, it's clever too. Thanks to its smart design, you can easily load and unload gear from any side. Hidden latches keep your stuff secure and out of sight. At $7,180, it's an investment, but for serious adventurers or tradespeople, it might just be worth every penny. TGM 500 Tailgate Mirror. Backing up with the tailgate down turns your truck's rear camera into a guessing game. That's where the TGM 500 Tailgate Mirror comes in. It installs in seconds using just 2 suction cups, no wires, no batteries, no stress. It gives your camera the angle it needs to actually do its job. Whether you're maneuvering through a job site or backing into a narrow trailhead, this $41 add-on offers peace of mind. It's such a simple solution, but once you've used it, you'll wonder how you ever reversed without it. Rossminster Baja. When a regular truck camper just doesn't cut it, you get something like the Rossminster Baja. Built on a Ford F-350 chassis, this luxury camper sleeps 4 and includes everything from a 2-burner induction stove to built-in reading lights beside the pillows. It's like a boutique hotel on wheels. It's equipped for all seasons with heating, a full shower, and lounge space for games or relaxation. At nearly $380,000, it's a serious investment, but for overland enthusiasts who crave the ultimate road trip comfort, it's hard to beat. Lift and slide cart. Moving cement bags, barrels, or generators into your truck bed. The lift and slide cart from Parent Tools lets you do it solo. Designed to carry up to 200 kilograms, it reduces the strain of lifting by allowing you to roll the load and slide it in with minimal effort. Its simple mechanical design eliminates the need for motors or hydraulics. The cart is launching on Kickstarter in May, with a projected retail price of $1,400. For contractors and DIY warriors, this tool could be a real backsaver. ARB Slimline 100. Whether you're deep in the woods or just working off-grid, the ARB Slimline 100 turns your truck into a mobile energy hub. This 100Ah lithium battery weighs just 16 kilograms and can run an oven for 8 hours or power tools for over 60. It recharges via solar panels and is ideal for anyone who needs reliable power at moment's notice. At around $2,000, it's a powerful companion for campers, tradespeople, or anyone who hates being left in the dark. BTS Lighting Kit. If you're looking to make your truck stand out, the BTS Lighting Kit is the answer. Priced at just $100 per unit, it delivers a retro glow with modern performance. Its 60-watt power output paired with an optimized beam pattern creates a bold, custom look while remaining street legal. Durability isn't an afterthought either. The lights feature a cooling system with liquid-filled copper tubes and built-in fans, reducing fogging and extending lifespan. Whether you're cruising through the city or showing off at an event, this lighting upgrade makes a lasting impression. Dumper Dog Hydraulic Bed Lift. Always wanted a dump truck but stuck with a pickup? The Dumper Dog turns your bed into a hydraulic lifting machine. With a 45 degrees tilt angle and 2,721 kilograms load capacity, it's perfect for gravel, firewood, or construction debris. A wired remote gives you control from up to 3 meters away. Add-ons like the Salt Dog tailgate spreader even make it snow-ready. With a price tag of around $5,276, it's not cheap, but for those needing functionality and flair, it's a heavy-duty upgrade that gets the job done in style. Multi-rack system. Imagine Lego, but for your truck. The multi-rack system allows you to mix and match configurations to carry anything: ladders, lumber, bikes, and more. One standard rack supports 227 kilograms, and the system offers countless accessories like handrails and toolboxes. It's perfect for year-round work or weekend warrior fun. Whether you're heading to a job site or a trailhead, this setup adapts to your needs. At $420, it's a small price to pay for such massive flexibility, and you'll likely wonder why it didn't come factory installed. Impact Folding Dog Crate. Your dog deserves safe and secure travel, and the Impact Dog Crate delivers just that. Weighing only 13 kilograms, it's built tough and folds out in under a minute. Designed for mid-sized breeds like German Pinschers or Eskimo dogs, it fits snugly in most truck beds. Priced at $670, it features ventilation, strong latches, and quick tie-down options for transport. Whether you're camping, traveling cross-country, or just headed to the vet, it ensures your pup travels first class. Load My Boat. Lifting a boat into your truck usually takes a team, but with Load My Boat, one person can do it solo. This electric loading system supports vessels up to 181 kilograms and 4.8 meters long, moving them smoothly into transport position with the touch of a wireless remote. Even better, it works in reverse, lowering your boat directly into the water. No back strain, no hassle. At $3,200, it's ideal for frequent anglers or lake day lovers looking for quick, drama-free loading. Yakima Skyrise HD. Turn your pickup into a luxury suite on wheels with the Yakima Skyrise HD rooftop tent. Priced at $3,500, this three-person tent doesn't just offer a comfy place to sleep. It also serves as a gear carrier for bikes, boards, and other outdoor essentials during travel. Once you're parked, it transforms into a weatherproof camp setup in minutes. Built for adventure, it supports up to 136 kilograms of gear when closed and adds options like a sunshade or portable shower. Whether you're deep in nature or camping at a festival, the Skyrise HD brings a whole new meaning to traveling in style and comfort. Cab Rack. Don't want to drill into your roof but still need to haul long cargo? Enter Cab Rack, a 5.5 kilograms rooftop solution made of polyurethane and rubber. It requires no installation tools and includes built-in straps, making it ideal for occasional or emergency use. Setup is as easy as setting it on your roof, securing your ladder or lumber, and driving off. Despite its simple form, it's tough and reliable, a perfect alternative to more complex and permanent roof racks. DZ Sliding Toolbox. Tired of climbing into the bed every time you need a tool? The DZ Sliding Toolbox is your answer. It slides out almost fully, supports up to 272 kilograms, and makes grabbing your gear fast and frustration-free. What really sets it apart is its double lock security. A thief would need to bypass the built-in lock and unlock your tailgate to access your tools. That's durability and peace of mind all in one sleek, smart package. That's it for today's ride into the future of pickup trucks. Which upgrade blew your mind? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss what's next on Epic Discoveries. See you in the next one.